It wasn't that long ago that the prime spots for advertising were in newspapers, magazines, and TV, because that's where people spent their time reading or watching. And it wasn't that long ago that billboards were a main form of advertising, populating places where people spent their time. And these forms of advertising still exist, but the real hotspot to advertise on is apps. Today, almost everyone spends their time reading and watching apps on their mobile devices. Social networks, games, and other community apps are where people hang out. It makes sense that apps can be an attractive option for advertisers to be. The market is huge. Last year alone, $101 billion was spent globally on mobile ads. And just as it worked in more conventional times, advertisers bring significant revenue streams to apps. In many cases, advertising is the main way to monetize an app. But with so many apps out there, what makes an advertiser decide on which apps to use for their campaigns? Well, the same principles apply as before. It all boils down to, is your app the right place for an advertiser to be? Because ads need to appear where, when, and how it will have the most impact on users. An advertiser would need to consider if the app is ideal or not for their brand style and mode of engagement. Is there a good fit between what your app does and the target of the advertising campaign? So for example, a workout app is a much better fit for health food supplements than for a fast food home delivery service. What is important is not only how many people have signed up as users, but how much they engage in the app. So how much traffic is there on this app? How much time does a typical user spend in the app, and how much they navigate through are really good indicators. But advertisers ultimately are interested in how much the users engage in their adverts and what the rate of conversion would be. Now, there is one big difference when you compare the more conventional forms of advertising. Because we use more advanced data tracking and user targeting, in-app advertising has become a vital channel for advertisers to reach audience with pinpoint accuracy. So when you're looking to attract advertisers, think of these three things. Exactly what purpose my app fulfills, and which advertisers may want to align with that. Exactly who my users are, and which advertisers may want to engage with them. And exactly how much user traffic and engagement is on my app, and which advertisers will be interested in grabbing their attention too.